Hello there, I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist and certified sex therapist. We recently released episode 400 of Sexology podcast, and we got tons of questions from our listeners, and I chose few of them that was very common, and I see these questions all the time in my practice to share with you. Let's read the first question. Why do I sometimes lose my erection in certain positions, like when I'm lying on my back? In general, when someone loses their erection, it could be due to three different things. Number one is physical issues. Could be vascular health related, perhaps the blood flow to your penis is not strong or somehow you're losing the blood flow. It could be due to anxiety or medical condition. So if that is the case, I have a wonderful solution for you. Make sure you're using a cock ring. This is from the company called MyFirmTech. FirmTech produces some of the most comfortable cock rings that you can wear, and it helps with limiting the release of the blood from your penis. I highly recommend that. It's very comfortable. Second reason, it could be because somehow you're doing something that it's not a turn on for you. Maybe perhaps when you're in certain position, you can touch your partner's breasts, you can see them, you can see their back. There could be different things that turn you on. And maybe when you're on your back, it doesn't seem that exciting and interesting for you. So my invitation for you is to communicate it with your partner. Maybe you can switch positions when you notice that you're losing an erection, or maybe you can start with the ones that are least interesting, because our erection tends to be stronger at the beginning, and then go to the one that's your favorite more toward the end. Number three is maybe there's something in the relationship, in the moment, that turns you off. For example, maybe you can see in your partner's face that they're not interested in this, or maybe your mind start to wander somewhere else. Whatever it is, it's really important to talk to your partner about it and come up with this idea of the activities that you can do that psychologically and physiologically stimulating for you both. If you are struggling with erectile unpredictability, and sometimes you're losing your erection and you don't know exactly why you're losing it, or maybe you know why you lose it and you don't know what to do. I understand this topic could be something that would be difficult to talk to someone about it. So we have a free quiz below this video that you can take to see, first of all, what is the cause of losing erection for you, and secondly, what you can do to address it. All right, make sure you are subscribing to our channel and tune in to the second video on this question series.